Cool.
This one. Oh, sorry. Both Indonesia and Bahrain team, those teams, did their best until the referee whistles, at the last minute. But still, I have to mention about, there's some shame thing in regarding the referee's decision. So if AFC wants to develop, and the referee's decision also has to be improved.
Thank you for your comments. Now we open the floor for questions. تفضل. بالانجليزي. English.
Mike. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Today match 2-2. Before I agree all this is today why? All this player and the Tunisian today I agree why?
뭐 2대2 상황이 됐는데도 인도네시아 선수들이 많이 화가 났다. 왜 그렇다?
직접 뭐 경기를 안 봐서 묻는지 모르겠지만 왜 화난지 대해서는 직접 본 분들은 다 생각할 것이고 TV 중계 받는 사람들도 느낄 것이다. 6분 줬지만 6분 이상 훨씬 더 많이 보는 것은 잘못된 것이고 우리 선수들이 부딪히기만 하면 우리는 파울이고 왜 상대는 그냥 매 경기 그냥 진행하는지 대해서 도대체 이해가 안 된다.
If anyone just watched this match, probably you guys, surely understand, why our players get angry. Additional minutes, it was 6 minutes. It was more than 90 minutes. The referee's decision, all biased. When we just, old players, when drilling, the Bahrain got, this free kick. So, yeah, I think everybody knows, why our players get angry then.
Any more questions? Thank you for your attending. All the best, coach. Thank you.
Mike. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Okay.